is a tower A, B. This is a tower. This is a first elevation of person is 60 degrees. This is a 60 degrees. Second, this one is going to, this person is going to this point, elevation is 30 degrees. C. Person, this person is going to, this one is equal to 10 meters. 10 meters. Find the height of the tower. This one to this one length is road of the width. Road of the width is equal to x. H is equal to height of the tower. Height of the tower. Height of the tower. Tower is equal to h. Width of the road. Width of the road is equal to x. 60. Opposite by adjacent is equal to tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite. OPP. Opposite by adjacent. Opposite, what is that? Opposite is equal to AB. Adjacent is equal to BD. BD. Tan 60 is equal to opposite is equal to AB length is equal to h by adjacent BD is equal to x. Tan 60 is equal to how much is there? Tan 60 is equal to root 3. Root 3 is equal to h by x. X into root 3. H is equal to root 3x. This is the first equation. Next, triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is equal to triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is equal to tan 30 is equal to opposite AB by adjacent BC. AB is equal to how much is there? Height h. BC is equal to how much is there? BC is equal to 10 plus x. 10 plus x. Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 is equal to h by 10 plus x. H is equal to what is that? 10 into 1 is 1. 10 plus x by root 3. This is the second equation. But h is equal to root 3x. H is equal to root 3x. First and second. First and second is equal to root 3x is equal to 10 plus x by root 3. Root 3 1 is root 3. Root 3x. Root 3x into root 3 is equal to 10 plus x. Root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3x. 10 plus x. 3x minus x is equal to 10. 2x is equal to 10. But x is equal to 10. Road width is equal to 10. But h is equal to how much? H is equal to root 3x kada. H is equal to root 3 into x is equal to 5. 10 by 2 5. Okay, 5 root 3 into 5. H is equal to 5 root 3. Mistake going.